Children, good morning. Till now we have finished till chapter 8. Today I'll start chapter 9, negative numbers. Okay, standard 5. Okay, you are knowing me, myself Sakti sir. Okay, see, introduction to negative numbers. See, you might have studied about the number lines. Till this we know. Okay, these are natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These numbers are called natural numbers. When we include 0, then these numbers are called whole numbers. Okay, these are natural number. So we have written short. Natural number. Natural numbers, these are whole numbers. Now imagine if you go towards the left. Towards the left means towards the left of 0. Okay. So how to indicate these points? These points are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. This side. If we proceed towards the left. Okay. So these numbers are called negative numbers. -1 to infinite. Okay. In higher classes you will study about the infinite, infiniments which don't have any limit. This side the symbol of plus infinity, this is called positive infinite and this is called negative infinite. Infinite means no where there is no end. No end towards the positive direction. Here no end towards the negative direction. So these are called, the symbol of infinity is this one, minus infinity, this is plus infinity. Okay. Now think about the numbers. What will be the sign of these numbers? These are called positive numbers. Whenever we write these numbers are called positive numbers. Positive numbers means suppose +1, +2, +3 and so on. These numbers are called positive numbers. We generally don't. These numbers are positive numbers. We can write plus sign before this number, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5 and so on. All these numbers are positive numbers and these numbers are negative numbers. Generally we don't write these plus signs when we talk about the natural numbers. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, okay and so on. If you don't write positive sign, no problem. If the numbers don't have positive sign before these numbers, it means their plus signs are there. With every number plus sign is there. +1, +2, no need to write plus sign. But when we write negative numbers, we have to write -1, -2, -3 and so on, -1, -2, -3 and so on. Only then these are negative numbers. Okay. Now think about 0. 0 is either negative or positive. What? 0 is, remember that It's a very important concept. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neutral. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay. So 0 is the central point. 0 divides the positive numbers and negative numbers. Okay. So if we go towards the right side, right of the 0, then we are going towards the positive. And when we come back or go towards the left, then these numbers are negative numbers. We are going to the negative way. Okay. One more important thing, that when we proceed left to right, when we proceed left to right, that means we are increasing. The numbers are being increased. Means what? Suppose -2 to -1. We are going to -2 to -1. So which one is bigger? Which one is bigger, -2 or -1? You will say -2 because you don't have any knowledge about the negative numbers. But -1 is bigger here. -1 is bigger and -2 is smaller. -2 is smaller and -1 is bigger. This way, -2 is smaller than -1. Only you have to remember what? Whenever we proceed from left to right, we are increasing. That means, one more example. Suppose -5, we are comparing between -5 and +3. Which one will be bigger, -5 or +3? Obviously, +3 is bigger. Okay. So, +3 is bigger than -5. Think about 0 and -3. Which one is bigger? 0 is bigger or -3 is bigger? 0 is towards the right of -3. So obviously 0 will be bigger. What did I say? Whichever is towards the right will be bigger and whichever number is towards the left will be smaller. So 0 is bigger than what? 0 is bigger than what? -3. If we compare between -3 and 0, then 0 is bigger than -3. Okay. 0 is bigger. Why? Because 0 is towards the right of -3. 0 is towards the right of -3. That's why 0 is bigger than -3 or 0 is greater than -3. Now if you compare between, everybody know that +1 and +3. +1, which one is bigger? +5 is bigger than +1. Why? Because +5 is towards the right of +1. Okay. So these are the common concept of negative numbers. Positive numbers, for positive numbers we no need to write any sign, or you can write plus sign also. If you suppose you have not written plus sign, then also it is understood that plus sign is there, positive sign is there. But for negative numbers we have to write minus sign. Only then those numbers will be considered as negative numbers. Otherwise simple numbers, so if you don't write plus sign, then automatically these numbers will be positive numbers. Okay. Now we shall start the exercise. See some questions from the exercise. Okay. You can pause the video to note it down. Okay. Now we shall start exercise 9.1 from the textbook, page number 59. Okay, this is page number 59 from the textbook. Question is, draw the number line and mark the following integers. Draw the number line and mark the following integers. First question is -6 and -2. You have to mark these two numbers on the number line. First of all, draw a number line in your copy, classwork notebook. See, the -6 and -2 both are negative numbers. Okay, both are negative numbers. You should have common sense that these both the numbers. Now we have idea. Both the numbers are negative numbers, means these two numbers will be left of 0, right of 0. Obviously, right, left of 0. Okay, so both the numbers are to the left of 0. So we'll mark 0 to the rightmost point. Okay, to adjust the line. So we'll mark 0 here because here no positive numbers are there. So we don't have to write positive numbers. Okay, that's why I have marked 0 here. Okay, so that we can get sufficient places to indicate -2, -6. Okay, now start. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. So many numbers I have written. Okay, no need to repeat that. Then also we shall write some extra numbers. Okay, to indicate -6 and -2, we just draw a round here. This is -6, and where is -2? Here. Okay, these are -6 and -2. Only you have to mark these numbers. Okay, where is -6 and where is -2? Okay. Next question B. Question is +4 and -5. +4 and -5. +4 and -5. Here both the numbers are there, positive number as well as negative number. So this is your number line. Okay, so 0 is at the middle. See, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus, 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 plus. And this side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Now you can see where is +4. This one. This one is +4 and -5. Where is -5? This one. Okay. For better view, we can draw an arrow and you can write +4 this way also. Okay, and this is -5. So we have represented +4 and -5. Clear? The remaining question you do yourself. Okay, -8, say third one, or C, part C, part D, part E, part F. All these